Health is not just an absence of disease. Health means… the word health comes from the word whole. When an individual human being feels complete, physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, that's when health is. When the life within you is bouncing with vibrance, when the life within you is effervescent, that's when health happens. If we have to build this into a human being, this has to happen at the earliest time in his life. If healthful living, how a human being can live healthy, what he should consume, what should be the nature of his practice, and different aspects of how he should sleep, how he should wake up, all these things were built into our culture in the past, but in the last generation we have distorted this heavily because of certain Western influences which are only about treating the disease, not about creating health from within. Nobody can give us health. Health is our responsibility. This has to be brought into our curriculum, that every child in this country should learn how to generate health for himself, not wait for a healthcare system to help him later in his life, but he must become the main healthcare provider for himself because health can only be organized from within. The earlier it is introduced, the better it is. It is important that we as a nation, all that we have is a large mass of people, these 1.25 billion people. If we have a healthful, focused and inspired population, we as a nation can become a miracle. If we have an unhealthy population, which will naturally be uninspired and not ready for action kind of population, we can become the greatest disaster. Right now, India is moving towards this disaster rapidly. It is time to turn it around by bringing healthful ways of living at the earliest point in one's life. So the school systems, the education system has to introduce as to how a human being can live healthy. This has to happen to this country because large-scale movement towards ill health is happening and it is something that we can ill afford. It is not something that this nation can handle. The richest nations in the world, like United States of America, their health bills are sinking their economy. We need not move in that way. Right now, we have a youthful population, but not very healthy. It's time we bring health and manifestation of health into our school systems and make it work for us as a nation.